Hi there, good afternoon and welcome to YNC Cars YouTube channel. Wasim here presenting you a short video of this gorgeous G20 330e we have in. Presented in Portimao blue, fitted with some gorgeous styling upgrades. The purpose of this video is to help you make an informed buying decision. I'll talk you through some of its features and options, as well as taking a look at its condition of the exterior and interior. So starting with the back rear end of the car, as I've currently got it plugged in. No fuel whatsoever, so we're using the charging port. It's 2 litre turbo engine, and then we have a hybrid battery, a BMW claim up to 35 miles. Real driving may differ. Really nice combination of the Portimao blue with the black leather and all the styling upgrades, so let's take a look. First thing you'll see is the gloss rear spoiler, the 3-piece rear diffuser with the matte effect carbon tips, and the F1 brake light, all professionally installed here in-house. Privacy glass to the rear, 20-inch staggered CS style wheels, gloss black sidebars, upgraded mirrors, 3-piece front splitter and the diamond grille. Very tidy car, one owner from new. We'll take a look at the interior and the boot. Charging cables included, got the original mats in there as well. Folding rear seats, so if you're occasionally carrying something bigger, golf clubs, etc., you can do so. Isofix rear bench, rear climate control, front and rear parking sensors with reversing camera, electric folding mirrors, electric windows, electrically adjustable mirrors, cruise control. This has the 8-speed gearbox. Obviously won't let me fire it up because it's currently charging. DB radio, and a quick look at the service history. Next service in 15,000 miles. All services carried out by BMW. Very well presented. It's covered 47,901 miles. HP and PCP welcome. Part exchange is welcome also. Please ask. Thanks for watching. We appreciate your time.